Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Leora if you're new here. Happy Monday. I'm sure you hear some noise in the background. Thank you, construction. I have lecture about to start, so I need to hop on. So far, today has consisted of going to the gym, eating breakfast, going to lecture, feeling really sleepy halfway through, and then taking a nap. And I haven't really been that productive since. I had some lunch and I'm trying to get some studying done before tonight. It's my friend's birthday and I'm excited to just celebrate with them, but that means I won't get any studying done. So I'm trying to get it all done right now, and I'm also doing random things right now. I had to fill out an excused absence form and I've never done that before. My dad is having a wedding like right after my last exam, but I would like to go on that Friday, which is the day of the exam, so seeing if I can get that exam moved. So it's 2:15 and I have a lot of things to do, so I am going to do those right now. Got a best friend trip.
Follow me on SoundCloud.
Best friend trip to Chick-fil-A minus Andy because he's got priorities today. But topic of discussion, are you ready? Let's talk about class rank.
Thanks.
How do we feel, ladies and gents? Class ranks just came out at the end of first year, and
Someone's gotta be ranked 2.
I'm just gonna say it, none of us are top 10. I know you're all so surprised because we are literally A students. So. I'm just kidding. We're not quite C's, get degrees people, but like...
I've never gotten a B, but I've never gotten an A.
Wait, really?
What do you think? Do you think class rank is good or bad? Ooh.
I mean, I'm not specializing, so I don't really care.
Yeah.
For me personally. But I know if people are trying to specialize, of course it matters, and try to do the best that you can. But like when it came out, I was like, okay, I'm not even gonna check it because I don't really care.
Yeah, it came out when we were in Cape Cod and we were all like...
Everyone panicked.
Yeah. I just wanted to know if I was right because I did guess a number.
Yeah. You also guessed my number pretty well.
Yeah.
That was good. But, yeah. How do you feel?
What about you, Tim? Do you think it's important?
Like, whatever Andrea said, I agree with.
I don't care about my number in the sense that like I want to beat it or anything. At the end of the day, I'm gonna walk across the stage with all my friends. Like, if I'm ranked 200, so be it. But still a dentist. But I also don't want to specialize, at least at this point. But I'm just gonna continue to take D2 year as do your best and don't get too stressed. Like, do your best, but also like don't lose mental health over it. Because D2 year is supposed to be the hardest year. What did everyone get?
Hi, Mom.
We treat Mr. Tim Low Get Low to some Chick-fil-A for driving us. Because it's a nice like 30-minute drive.
I'm sorry, Uber driver.
It's about 10 a.m. I woke up like half hour ago and I need to go to the bookstore because that's where they're doing the COVID testing, and I need to get my nasals swabbed, my nose swabbed. I'll try and film as much as I can, but I don't know what I can film, so I will possibly see you there. That experience was totally self-swab and not what I was expecting, but it wasn't too bad. I'll explain more when I get home. I'm back, and what happened was I walked in, they had a sign of all the COVID symptoms, and they were like, okay, read this. Do you have any of these symptoms? Have you had any of these symptoms like in the past 24 hours? And I said no. Then I went to like another station and I had to scan my ID, and like a little barcode got printed for me, and that was to go on my little tube. But after I got the barcode, then I went and I was assigned a seat, and it had a swab in front of me and my own tube, obviously. And then once everyone was seated for that session, this guy was talking and instructing us how to do a self swab. So these are not the like really long ones that go to your brain, but these just kind of went to like right here. And essentially there was a lot of hand sanitizer involved, and it started with that, and then we were asked to blow our noses and clear out like any dirt or anything before we swabbed. So after we cleared our noses of the debris, we got the cotton swab. It was like this big in length, and so he's like, all right, stick it in each nostril, go 3 times, and then put it back in the tube. And I was a little nervous because like, am I going back far enough? Also, I don't want to go back too far. And I think I did okay. And I'm gonna have to do this every 2 weeks, so hopefully I'll be a pro, I guess, at the end. And the guy said that it'll be about 24 hours to process everything, but the mail isn't gonna pick up everything until after 5, so maybe by tomorrow night I will know if I'm negative or positive. It's Thursday at 10, and instead of going to class, I'm gonna go take Rascal to the park and just get some fresh air. It's really pretty out. It's like 70 degrees, so can't ignore the nice weather, you know? And I'm also behind on lectures, so going to class today won't help me because I still need to catch up on stuff. So I'm just gonna go do what I want and watch a ton of lectures when I get back. Hopefully I am very productive today. Fingers crossed. Hello, it's me, Q Adele.
Hello, it's me.
I don't know when I last vlogged. I feel like it's been a minute, but I've basically been trying to catch up with school, and not going to lie, it's been a struggle. I found myself getting easily distracted with my phone this week, and so I've been starting to put my phone on Do Not Disturb, and I've also been thinking about just putting it in a separate room so I don't have the temptation to just like check my notifications or anything. But the struggle is real. I'm kind of still in vacation mode. Not ready for this exam on Friday. I feel like a big topic of discussion at the moment is this feeling of guilt when you don't complete everything on your to-do list or your study schedule, etc. And I definitely felt that a lot this week. I got behind very quickly. You know, only 2 weeks in starting our actual curriculum, you know, real classes, and I just was like, this sucks. And I have a hard time giving myself grace sometimes. I don't know if you guys are into Enneagrams, but I am a type 1, and we are known to be like very hard on ourselves more than anyone else. Perfectionists, you get it. Basically, I just need to be better about not feeling guilty when I don't complete everything. And it's not the end of the world. I just may have to cram a little bit come exam time. And I just want to do my best without stressing out too much or losing sleep. Basically, if I pass my classes, I'm golden. So with those closing thoughts, I will end the vlog. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new, please subscribe down below. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.